So I have been a startup founder myself, and I exited by selling my startup, and I wanted to invest in other startups. I thought I had the knowledge for it, and I invested on my own. Made some mistakes, and then somebody introduced IPV to me. Through IPV, I got to learn a lot about what investing is about, how do you evaluate startups and things like that. Um, I took almost a year before I invested in did my first investment through IPV. Uh, During that year, I paid attention. I listened to all the sessions. I listened to all the founder pitches and all of that, and then I made my first investment. I have made about a few investments through IPV, and I've not exited any. But I hope when I exit, I do as well as the other IPV investments I have done. One of the things I've liked and respected about IPV's approach is basically their attention to details and their attention to data. And when I say attention to details, it's not just about the startup, it is the attention they pay to the market, their approach of using the Porter's Five Forces model, their attention to paying, looking at details about the entrepreneurs, the team themselves, the founding team of the startup themselves. And paying attention to small details, which then helps even other angel investors who are new, understand how a startup could be evaluated, and then have a little more confidence when they're making their first, second, or third investments. So that is something that I really liked about the approach. The second thing that I have liked about the team is also the attention to data. They view a lot of data. They expect the startups to view a lot of data for making decisions, and using a good balance scorecard for making decisions. I like that approach. I think this approach comes from the founding team because both of them have been in the system, and therefore the strength that they bring is the way they do the evaluation, the way they have spread in the market, the way they have connections both to not just the startups, but also the way they have reached out to the venture capital market and the other markets for the second investment rounds and the future investment rounds and all of that, and which is what is helping us give a good return for a lot of IPV partners. And they have stressed is the fact that every angel investor has a different idea of what to invest in, and they bring that range to the platform, and which helps a lot of angel investors make decisions on which to invest, what to invest in. In between, I had met a few investors, and it was surprising to see them there because I didn't know they were IPV investors also. A lot of information got shared, which I really appreciated, especially the learnings from the failures and the learnings from what has done well, what has not done well, and how IPV has, what has led to IPV success. Those things were very nicely shared and very nicely presented. I actually came back after that and I started doing a little bit of research on different things that were presented there so that I could add to my knowledge also. So it was a very good, interesting and informative meet. Of course, it's always nice to meet others and network with others. So that was good.